million US dollars ya show ya dumso ebeba ya kwen
na National Peace Council ni NDC amanyuko no manso a wo mo ewombu no Peace Council pen for the nsem ya to dwa nwumre ya ye de mu nchemu ebebrem
ora pa kwasi Nduom na kasa wase Ghana Biden e kao 7.1 billion Ghana cedis yansi ho enso abeka ho
na de keka kon de wanhwe ya debate no a Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia epeso ne mampeni da John Dramani Mameye no ebenya baso ze aye mpeni for wo mo etu anamo bia wo mo eye nhise de mampeni for ne mienu
asa ye to abamemen da no anya si akwan de ma SD asafo ne momuo no aka bibi kire won pa sa bato ne nkunimdie ne ade beba ejina won so wei eyera chairman ya wono eda NPP amanyoko na no chairman ontumi
abuzanfo we ni afoforo pinu an ya kekese ne ne sekase ababi awo bia no anwumre ye ba ne ye dia ba besomwo ye mfa seda ema enwuma ekoyi
21st clinic ye kan for dia ma Liberty Conference e ba wakwam nyame ya tomo a 31st August Express Group say ebusawade wotu kwan ma ho atomizo and 5G drinking so atayechi and watching the through herbal center wo the through core capsules koko master drono anso aka ho bi when nyumako awodo won madoma so yesene na yade kase aba mu hwam na so fom wana pae ade abrɛwo asomfo banu ene na fie numre yi yade kase boyi ebabasom medin ene akosia ajewa kwade boaten enumre mene
na ya abo amalibi aboga
afanya nyamra na sem no yenchichi
abzafo ye kiremu na ya hyase de free mampani na nadodan kwakufu ado chima pese be maboda na tena ye enwumre yi na mampani de afutu akwa amasu apon a ewo omayi mu se be oman no ye gina ba bedru no su apon hodo no nhyase ne aban ene atena ye hodo pi no anto kese enka mum se be yo na omon fifi mu aya na mpempi no ano wo mo eye no su apon hodo no ebe meso abamfa so ama ban ntena ye hodo ene omo krokra hodo a omo edi omo djuma ewo so empempi no ya na su apon hodo no ewo mfifimu bi a ya na omo eya kwasibro ne ka ne se research ibie omo eta ye bie na no na mampani na nadodan kwakufu ado e kire se su apon hodo no se braso no mo koyo omo research ni wi a eniam omo behu eniam omo betie ewo research ni mu no eni kwa so omo de koto omo classrooms ne omo offices eme bomfutuo sa akwa omo emfa me aban omo emfa me atena hodo no ene enkrompanimfo a omo ewo miamia hodo a suapon wo se beye na adehia wo manimu no ebehu nsunsanso papa ewo adehia ene yesuapon akese a ewo omayimu so mampani na nadodan kwakufu de sansame tudwa ewo tamala bonten so wabra na oya mamre ni amane na wa power edai kakraka bi wontuma ede ama University for Development Studies a ewo tamale abonten so eno de afuto we ekoma suapon hodo ewo mamu nyina.
As we celebrate this milestone, I also want to restate my commitment to ensuring that the 2024 elections pass off without any incident. My administration is committed to guarantee free, fair, and transparent elections. We've worked tirelessly to strengthen our democratic institutions and processes, and we will continue to do so to ensure that the will of the people is respected. A peaceful and credible election is crucial for the stability and progress of our country, and we are dedicated to upholding the highest standards of electoral integrity.
Abuzanfo mampani na nadodan kwakufu ado ne yete ne nka we eye nyankpala campus a ewo eye esrim tamala bonten so University for Development Studies omo atena ye baako a ewo nyankpala ena mampani na nadodan kwakufu ado ne ne kire hono a wode safuto we ekọ ede amomamu ne nyina ene ahobo a ye ede akwakuru abato mu soso
Kane mampanyi yero John Dramani Muhammad yakwobo akwakopiemu ewo wan na mahemfo ane mpanyimfo ye oka bie wom wo hono makwakohia na ewo no de akwakoto dwa akyeresa asami na nkompeso obebo so na so babie adru no ewo so kama Ghana fo hunu bie na mampanyi na adopa wompese obedane akonya no na wode ama no nyame ya adoma afia bato ebeto no ewo de efre pa ne nyina no yese wo no John Dramani Muhammad no wakokwe ni pa bia wompekata hye proye afei se kwabasa wo ye ade na nya wase kire se duasamienu eka de kire magana fo nyina hunu se wo enamfomso ne friwu enti enuoma wodo amampanyi na do betena konya so wa ya wɔpɛ wakata so na aban bia betena so wɔhunu nti ɛna boapaye wɔn pɛ sɛ ɔno John Dramani Mahama no wɔbɛdane akonya de ama no 2024 abatoe mu nanso ne nyinaa mu no wonim sɛ ne manfo yɛ wɔflamanta mu ni hwamɔ yɛ afia bato no wɔn bɛto ama no sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a ɛnneɔma ahodoɔ yɛ hinta aban wɔbɛtena akonya so wɔyɛ sɛ Ghana sika ama yɛ bɔka nyina da wɔde ba bɛto dwa.
A few months ago, President Akufo-Addo said he can't hand over to John Mahama because John Mahama will not protect his legacy. You remember that? But his own vice president is running away from his legacy. His own vice president is running away from Akufo-Addo's track record. Ezu, yes, I won't protect his legacy. I won't protect his legacy of mismanagement of the Ghanaian economy. I won't protect his legacy of corruption and state capture. I won't protect his legacy of hardship on the Ghanaian people. I won't protect his legacy of inflicting poverty on the Ghanaian people. I won't protect their legacy of dishonesty and lies, because honesty and truth is a principle of leadership.
Anochi no yera John Dramani Mahama atwa so se nyame ya dom na wobetena akonya so ne maye tosum yenu no a wobawa se free ho de kɔ aflawo won mo kwan wobeyiri nyina de atum na kwan ketenkete bi won mo a wobayo de ma de hia e wo flamantam mu.
Talking about an economic corridor, and I call it the Volta OT economic corridor. We know that Volta region and OT border our neighbor Togo, and there's a lot of cross-border trade. And so looking at putting facilities to support farmers in order that they can produce more, there's potential for expanding cassava production, there's potential for expanding rice production, there's potential for expanding cocoa production, especially in the northern Volta and OT regions. There's potential for expanding ginger production. There's potential for expanding production of oil palm. And so these are all things that, if we invest, would bring more resources and improve the incomes of the people of Volta. We also need to put in some infrastructure to stimulate economic activity, especially trade and commerce.
I was away a year Kanema Panyero John Dramani Mahama.
I was a foyer for Monko and this Yaman National Peace Council and penning for months on Babato Montemnina, Asumgia Pamne, Asumgi Entiasia. Peace Council and penning for watch and you send this Yaman Yukun Betiase, Nomodo Monsaba Beshasia, I send this Yaman Yukun so and penning for Chucho Monase, a home. Now penning power that National Peace Council and no such chairman, a year Dr. Ernest, a do Jemfi, and now Otres, sending any pebinamo, a baby, a tunchinigum, a cadia womunim, a fasansam no hono, obetima sechiraka, and we are singing out Tiasia, saying yes, and this Yaman Yukono, or more a sechin chiria, and Tiasia Pam, and Yasumia Pamno, or more informant Sanchas minimum, and Emma Binuma Acoso, and Omoche so many Yahua, or more National Peace Council penning for Senechia, or Monshe, not among Kamwasam, Sense, Umbeja Netra, no more chichi or many were home, or brass, and no sono, Edika, se was a, or more no Kahwasem, Dr. Ernest Edujemfi, at the San Samiti Jawabra, Nansam Chefo, Ibsan Sanyem Diano, baby Ayaba Bedroya, and Kamea quite to say Cabebo Sumi and Sa, and then Nimia Nuamia Quaco to Abbey, and Yimbia almost repete Cremua, and this Yaman you couldn't be San Cratano, and watch a Sibisine, and this intimate Sechre, and Canny People so Monsai, and Nemebia, Uncle Yin Mufise, or some penny for her, a Kahwasem.
NDC has not said categorically that they won't sign. They've given out some grievances. We will meet with them, we will talk about those things, and we will resolve them. I don't think that it's something that we should split our heads over. Our doors are always open. We work with the parties, we talk with them. And so we listen to them, we find a way to talk and find a solution to some of these grievances. The ones that are within our capacity, we will do them. Some of them are not within our control, and there's nothing that the Peace Council itself can handle. Our hope is that they will sign, and so let's work towards that.
Abusuafo nti weye aye Dr. Ernest Adujamfi wono ene yepene kwanchefo a oda National Peace Council no se chairman.
Wokɔ mrasha badwofia ye wabadwokɔ ye wɔn hwefuma kodie ne nyina mahoɔden wo ensam so na ranking member ya woda no aye Ora John Ginapo ane wakasai na wode atodwa akyerɛ sɛ baabi a neoma kekakɔ no so maga ne yahwɛ ye afri nyame ya dom a boso no hwefo ye baba simo ye September boso me ni bo no dumso abasa yiniti pa ne nyina no yesa Ghana ban ade adwumako bi afra no sɛ West Africa Gas Pipeline Company one more kabase a million no dumienu we kura US dollars $12 million ye sky to akura ya bar no entimi ntuaye enam say so ntire one ma hyase abo man no trene sɛ anhwe yi a wɔn bɛhwɛ sɛ ne yɛbɛyɛ na gas supplies a wodo no wɔn bɛtwetwam no ma Ghana dumso asaba me ne bio.
We speak if limited the gas line capacity and that if this continue by September 6, 2024, polling which current transportation services to GNPC will be at risk of suspension on September 7 at 05 o'clock hours GMT. Okay, that is a trend we are facing. If we do not pay this 12 million by 7th of September, they would shut down the pipeline completely for both gas from Nigeria and reverse flow of gas from the west to Ghana.
And what you know, some pagas here, Mananso, Yabora, say, show my Ghana, you know, my one some so and so for the chair. Warren, you know, my one some so you're a calling, Sadama commensa at your turn come up beside us so. Near Yatati and Yena one was so. No say.
The $8 to $10 million payment. Any problem they are. Now, Russia, there's a baseline, a amount of gas we are supply money, a baseline to say we are a contract. I catch almost 60 MMF. Now, if the amount of swab system a baseline, they will never go below. Let's just say in Comobia, you know, as a contractor, you know, to the latter. Then they will come to the baseline. What has happened now, they say, for the past 2 or 3 days, you drop to the baseline. And then just say, West Africa Gas Pipeline, or my shutting down, they give us gas. But amount, you know, the money. And apart from based on informal information, now immediately we got that information 2 days ago, and not just yesterday, the minister of an emergency meeting amongst all the power players, DRA, Gridco, ECG. Now what happens is that every month in the GMPC, it's $2 million.
I was on your turn and carry so for the chair or so many Yamahua one some so you're Collins Adama comments.
Said the baby and Yamaka Kakon where ya a debate in Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Woody MPP Amanyu Kunima Preman Penny Jano Efre such a trench our person man Penny da John Dramani Mama Eyeno Ebitimi Abaso Ninane say and Institute of Economic Affairs a Trinity friend say aye and penny for Yamamreni Amania and then she say ya and penny for Ben Konon Wama apa wonum se omontena se na omonko dwendwene enkeka ne mensie ni se committee na omonyan hyehye se beye na debate no a wo se eba so wo mampani dada John Dramani Mama ene mampani abedi che Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia entemo no etimi akoso empenifo a omo committee yi so no ma me Chief Justice Chief Justice Sofia Kufu ena eda onuma no eno achi Dr. Humphrey Anyim eka ho Dr. Abubakar Mohammed Muzak so eka ho Reverend Father Charles Boamponsafo eka ho and Most Reverend Dr. Paul Kwabunabuafo wonu nyina eka committee ho na Kane Chief Justice ma me Sofia Abunabuafo akufu echeche nsemu sei de kire adwuma wonu mo eba beye no ma hwese kwambia so debate no mampeni da John Dramani Mama and Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wo mo ebeye e de be hyehye so.
Specifically, the debates aim to achieve the following core objectives: to provide a unique platform for presidential candidates to outline their policies and vision of governance for the country, to inform and empower citizens to make informed decisions at the elections, to promote issue-based electioneering campaigns devoid of personal attacks and rancor, and to promote peace before, during, and after the elections. Democracy is truly exercised when the electorate is knowledgeable and well informed. Hence, this 6th edition of the IEA pre-election debates series will once again serve the same purpose of adequately informing the electorate of the intended policies and programs of the candidates for the high office.
Observe nti we Kane Chief Justice ano wo omayi mumami Sofia Abanaboafo akufu ene yetenenken.
Aguta jumeko no no ada wo de batu dwa atrasa emra bia akoto mrashebodwafie na yewani musama mpanyi na do de nsa ebehyasie Ghana Shepherds Authority Act no wo msra pa sa anuoma bi wo mu wahia sa nkonyasie etime kwaso ansana mampanyi de nsa behyasie a wo nsa ahyase na nso nti wo msra mampanyi sa enane kire ya da no wontwentwan na ase na senke betumi kra no a emo mfa ne sampo nhyase na nkofa asefoforo amfa ama ene yakoda ya Importers and Exporters Association of Ghana one more cranium ba ewo mai mu ne one more de nioma kɔ enkofa ma man so nka bo ku ade ato dwa atrese gutakuo ne ni ku ahodo a one more sufre mampanyini sam wonfa ne nsa enhya sa act no wase no wo mu ni nyina so bia na we no krampo yade a ebeboa ehan beto wo mu dwumadiem ama hye pii no anu atumi akɔ ede ama wo no ye wo srese ne kire yada mama mpanyin dwuntwane na asekura sanse ebeboa ama wo mu dwumadie no atumi atumpon president ya wodako na no Ora Samson Asaki Aringobet wone Sompa kase ekasai.
I raised these issues. We also raised the issue regarding to why would the freight forwarder have to register again with the Ghana Shepherds Authority when they are already registered with the Ghana Revenue Authority. I think this cargo note issues didn't come in that of our meeting. However, I think that if it is something that we have come across it, I am very optimistic that from where I sat that day and listening to the CEO and the management of the Ghana Shepherds Authority, you could see clearly that they are very and really prepared to engage us. In fact, we were told that even this Parent Act has the membership in the board considered to add AGI, Chamber of Commerce, and Ghana Union of Traders in this current Parent Act that was Shepherds Authority Parent Act that was amended. Again, they agreed that they were going to set up an ad hoc committee who will comprise with the stakeholders and the Shepherds Authority and government so that we will draft out the LI to properly regulate or to properly do the implementation. And we are still waiting for the Ghana Shepherds Authority to invite us to form that ad hoc committee that will look into the LI. And so I was so surprised to see today that my colleagues have issued a statement saying that the president should not sign.
Ora Samson Asaki Aringobet President ya wada Importers and Exporters Association of Ghana.
Ya demo Ghana Revenue Authority mpedimfo so atena ye GR mpedimfo na omodi nsusuye bi eba se senkebe ya amanyekwa wodo ni nyina ne mampeni bi ebenya no efri 2025 n'animu no enke enye nheseye na ye kwan dada no a ye de enim se ye faso egege eto akese ene nkuma wo mayim no senke esesa no nkebe bo pa penin pa be de ekira wono ene da Ghana Revenue Authority ano say Deputy Commissioner or show operations one sensem openi Daniel Adusi and this answer to Jawabra na GR mpedimfo edi dwuma bi no kire say kanetiti wono mticha kwa bota breso a na me kwa fia ko bi guest ya na jam ye guest SP wono mo tete de na ye faso de je to no a na ke say efri 19 kojo ho be sinna eni bia bei GR da so ate ho ene de je to so man sesa no man fa befo se manwuram no man fa papa on be fa so ade jeto no a e de say ya fi bia no man na agebosia ene e be kwa akobo e de aba be dada man yi wa bra se e nhihye ye ne e de aba fo contemponim de ewuramu a e benya sika pinu an e de aba man yi wo bra e de ye japade pinu a wo man yi mo.
Half of the, let me put it that way, we made a target which is about the best for the past 6 years. It has not been easy in an election year to be able to meet that target. And it's all because of some of these collaborations.
It is not only with you that we are going to do this. We have done with other stakeholders. And we believe that is the way to go, and not using the Rambo style as you guys put it. It is now a bit of what? Collaboration and education. Going forward, that is the strategy that we are using, and it is gaining already some advantages for us. We are sure we will be able to meet the target come the end of the year. Now, everybody or the business community is ready to engage us. And I believe that, like I did say, taxation is a bit technical. So you need to explain and explain and explain. And that is what we are trying to do. Now, GRA is customer-centric. Customer-centric. And please, carry this message across and then let's together. Because without taxes, we can't grow our nation. We can't do anything.
Amzanfonti we aye panin pa be de kira wada Ghana Revenue Authority ano ora Daniel Edusi na yete nken.
Dr. Pakwasi Nduom Global President ya wada Groupe Nduom ano. Na papa mra bi atwam 2019 mu na ban ene nsaka na GN banks ene banks ahodo bi na wo enam so ma ne oma ekokọ Sompa ene wona centralfo akasa e won kramantam mu chosansam ha na Ghana ban adeneka Basa 7.1 billion Ghana cedis a ene nsi ho krampa ba beka ho na waya na dwen sank wan kan sempi na so enioma mmeno no wo kwaya omu yi a wose na Ghana ban hunu se de wodede ne mra bi atwam wonu eda so hye ne kirimu pa ya ne re amfi ne ho na osu se we krampo no sabi onye ni pa binu pese menkuminya ena ye nioma bone bi ne woni pa binu kirimu a anka de omude ye na no krampo no kene kwa sanke ba no sa ye ro pa kwase ndio mebra na wo kyerkyeremu no wasaka sa pi no a adefa enei bring back GN bank campaign a wose ne boare ataso se e ma Ghana fa na ba bibiada ode be kono ho.
I'm also asking, where are all the vehicles? What have they done with them? Those places that we rented, that they have taken the things from, where are those things? And if you have computer 5 years, it's obsolete. But where are they? If a car sits for 5 years, not moving, what happens to it? And some people have also gone into those buildings to rent them to other people. Who gave them the authority to rent those properties? Who asked someone that they can use our space as a school? The land we bought to build in Kifupraso, now NAT has put up a building there. Who gave that land to NAT? They have auctioned some of the things, we know. Some of the things they've auctioned them, sold them quietly.
I was your Groupe Nduom Panyepaya Watano Dr. Pakwasi Nduom and your turning king.
Afia the more course no koko MPP amajuku no so atena yesese na NPP amajuku na atena ya demo ekro be nene nansa ene betu dwa se Yera Mati Opoku Prempe yetia pemu dema Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia ene MPP amanyuku no atiesim ewo ahafo no north ne ahafo no south east ne south west abato mpesua no so kwakọ predom de ama MPP amanyuku ne ewura no mu a omu gina de ama MPP amanyuku no mpesua no eso ewo mptemo no mo na Dr. Mati Opoku Prempe ekoye na campaign omu de ko giregire mu wo ho no a ena enu achi ye tete se emranche de maba wa binu a omo kire so omo ye MPP fo mapa na nei omo efisi MPP aban emwa omo ye nti no omo ani amanyuko na to nkwanta pa ya sese de NDC fo eno omo ne omo kwa akoto kese na omo akoto abasako mu na omo do omo tam akwakobo omo dia no kire se omo di MPP mpanimfo ho ya opa se na no campaign a Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeni MPP amanyuko be ye o mankranso ne mpotemu no efia omo edibegu kromo no no omo eja hokọ wabra omo ampra mpeni pasoso enyina omachi ampra nwura no a omo ebeye ne kromo no na nam so amasisi omo de omo ni abede se kwambia so NDC number be campaign yi ede ama wo mu na yo gina ede ama NDC amanjuko no afo no southwest abato mpesua so wono so etimedi nkunim owura Eric Sapon kamranche ya omo so omo ye MPP fo a enu ti se omo free MPP mu na omo ko NDC amanjuko mu ewa afo no southwest abato mpesua so ono ye din komo sei.
Yeah, you know, I MPP format.
but I say the train my apostle and the apostle party district mu ama I say when I'm crying and I say one kasa no we do now but as any other party into na yanama bontin kra na intimi ka ama for timi complain na we defend it but the church dey corner you so afeni ye wo ba nti say ya nhwe anka muma district no we nyina ya anka muma mpega district na ebe ha dum nti say ye nyina pese ye dey support ema Honorable Abubakar Sade na janka yeso district no e se sanka kra na ye hunu se bia anko gina fa akono ai change mu no na bia de mpuntundu meba nti sa be bia ye sema kan fofo nyina se eni district nyina se obi anka ye ho wo de he anopa ya kini ya be yo
Observe nti we aye mrante bia o mu fi se wo mo aye MPP ma na niema bia akoso e won pesua no so mo ni nye ho na o mo cheche mo nsem na no akire assemblyman o won potem ho no mo esoso e de kakra eso so sei
as presidential candidate of MPP the host ni party for ha amu be rally na me kurenim ni assembly member obi aso nim se ja assembly members there yes standing for community no nyankasa kwa mbegina akire ehwe de ekọ so ha na mentumi nka se program no ekoyi anan koyi but omupon ya no na asise no me very disappointed because nyame no kurenim se nye secondary school phone kora no mkotwe be program na sia ebe yen kuyan kwa no me address yo mura hoye entimi kora me boaba use via no kora bo se misro mo tumi ka beji t-shirt na nko am betina program na sik kakra enya sare we da ko etse enugwase aha nti omu ya de no we minua sabio eye kora ye wia ade chia ye pra ho
Observe nti we aye assemblyman o war man kran so ene ne mpotem ho no mo no yete ne nke na emrante de bi so a na omo ejina dwumadi na se esoso de kakra so sei
man kran so man nyina se abatuo ya ebetu eduru 7 December mo me nyina nkaka mo me ntoma Abubakar Sade because of say yafuwa ma MP nti say MPP 4%
we dem be kaka bi na betimaka eja wa mo hwe anopportunity ejina ha ye dwo we ya onidie na sem ka prache before na be no be program wa omuni bibia ye ya to aba ma MP from since 92 be pem na ye hu mpuntunyo me omonya hwe
Observe nti we aye hafo no Southwest abaton pesua so na yekoyi
ye kwasan from yewra Bernard Chivo sia ko ya dora no abon mo ne se chama wontumi wo ya santemantemu titene ni adema NPP amanyoko no papa de ntu obo akwakopie mu wo mamponten SD asafum ade akwato dwa etro se sabi onya aban no pe anase mponya boa parese aban no ade abatuo bi ya fie na abatuo bi ya no ewa akwahye memenda eye December 7th na mmom no se bo hwemu atwedi ampokra no wo ya memenda yenti ne yaka ne se twedi ampokwa me no afei so ye no firi ho no mu a eda memenda aye da soronko a aya na nipa pi no awo fie pa enti ye ne gye da eyawra ho da bibia hyemu bi ya wo de ya bibia yeye enti SD asafo no enya se bi aban no ta wo mo san se SD no ankasa no wo mo botaye ne asodie bi a ewo se wo mu die de boa mo man gya ne yaboto no etumi konkan enti aboto bi abetumi awie mu die a SD asafo ka ho wo mba sra papa se na yi a wo no mo twa da wura kye se ayin sa aboto da no kura se memenda wo mo nkonkoto ne ade no wo besra pa se wo mo nkonkoto san se nyankopon nim de ntia wo ma gya na ban ehye sa amra no
Ghana, you have a better Ghana. You have a better Ghana. You have a better Ghana. Everybody will have a job. You will have a Ghana where our road will be transformed. If you have a Ghana, I will talk to you about if you say, maybe that will not where you be now. Then you say, and you for
Awusiani atara nkaye ayora chaman wuntumi through herbal center through co capsules about the phone ya bia ebeboa wo ede na ha wo de na tete wo aye kokwa beto so ana wuntumi nya nan wonan no wuntumi nya no ama wo hyehye wo yimframa ye afekwa de osuro kra so obekọ bedwamu a resa wo benya through co capsules koko master drink bi no no wate ebeboa wo kama na watumi agya nan na ho ato wo ko pharmaceutical shops herbal shops mu an sabekabi 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 abusuabowra ahwa overseas junction alpha radio nchawa no mu no ano awona 21st clinic wono mo ewo wo ko wo bo asenso wo kanso kote scott junction ankra wo do market osunya no kranza te chiman wose de na ha wa yesesia te kayade woto asintini atwenwa de aba na amoromu emu ayo titiriti eye wo se obi abodua wonan ni mu kyese oje wo ba bi a enyi a kona 21st one man show one madwuma ho te na eye papa nso 0540 311311 0540 311311 se se de Europe tour no eno a na ekoso ya se hyase book appointment one mu dru fi aboboa no a awusua hwa na se wo mo hwa wa ma ho to eye bafua 0244915116 0244915116 wo ga na ha betumi afa number no ade ama wonu bi o wa ma no ne na wabuki appointment no entam mizo ana 5G drink ya kan fodi bia bi di ama ya kwa fofi damu ano no memenda na kwasiada anya de ye bekwa yi ye bekwa ye fro afenso kura pono tuo bi bekoso ye bekọ bi party ene ade hwose wo benya mizo ane 5G na wode akọ o ma nto bia ma wa anom wade afenso so mo amoto pono no mo hwe hu sem beto bi sanse we na ho den wom ema obi aye mo nkohe ne ya me meka se mekọ aso mesi wedding ene ko ba no sa 0246 270221 0246 270221 Express Group nie Waroko Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Holland, and China, and in Kronkra Hodoya Kaka home. Was all Quacosia, dear ticketing tour holidays. And as how Quacoya Juma. Fabadan one more. Kumaso was a labor runabout and crank Kaneshi First Light 0249 000448 0249 000448 wokwa abusua wonsa ebeka bi nansoso nanu omuni nkomo na wonom emo Liberty Conference nie August edition no ebaso live anya semketwa ma edan me se nyame wosra esane nipa de ohonom wano abompaye fa wo mahya wo yam bo won so mpaye bo wura so mpaye na dane da nyina no won madwuma nye ye na bi enka Liberty Conference 31st August year mu bosumi yawe ya na eba so aya no wahye nso wo man ni yodubu ache mo amunim nadwuma wo ye dada nyame wosra e wono so papa abusua da no wo ba ye adwuma se wo se twere wo hia sem enuoma eka won ko na nka ba wabra bom se ye sika eye apomden pa eye yade eye awo ye kaka ho no twero fagu plain sheet so afa enuoma wo pese firi wabra bom ko no twero no so fagu foforo so edane ye be hye de anya no na papa no ya bompa ya mana bo wabra bom bebia ni a woni mpanyfo bedi nkomo nemom hye no so sajumadi na ya no pa no nsia kan ni ahyase ewo Jubilee Park awoso ye nyina weso na hotel ye ba de aka hye no ye de besoso
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa na sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipedua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hiye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye brakasa powder siesi nipedua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni sushie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otwedi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarmenti according to IF4. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mind be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and se visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Runabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more mature for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Oja sun kron moja.
Yay! Edu hopiemu. Food for thought addition. Omayini ya wedubuachi. Onyame akuwa. Ofremu nyina. Se Augusti. Onyame ne mu appointment. Asemu ayakasa ho. Ose there hit. Boy free asomafo semo. Etiadio no nwoche. Nyi mu miensa na David nyom. Etiadio wache baako. Nyi mu Jubilee Park. Kumase anopa no sia pepepepepe. Na de ubeye nie. Wase fa plain paper na plain sheet. Mienu. Dia nyina. Jogo baako so. Na Satan wo pepoje funu media ha nyina. Yahye no wo baako aka ho. Eniema papa wo pese si wo wabrabo. Eno so kiro no wo so. Shane so sa eye candle. Akwankyere. Na fa wo candle baako kan. Na no na ye beso. Ne dia bompai. Liberty Conference August edition. The hit.
ye pepom paye ye pepom na wonyame betiesi ni boy ni so o man ni ya wadu boache na ho fadie ebe nyame made adwumtufo ni ora kwaku jesi minister Kwame Jedu minister Kofi Pepra wonu na bet so chom ahokeka kwan shahit August 31st proposi prempa obodu poko Calvary pema kokodrufo the friend is what sere dom no be Kenya ne ho ye be kayatamfo egu oh glory hallelujah one more time.
Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
Observe for yourself, so Mama Kwaba Bioba Sompa television, and numerous so yen to answer no Sumamona, your former encore among your simon. Now, Titra need the man Pipia Manukuno of Lamantemo, Volta region ye, Ura. Eye makafui eye wanya na odi atuga se nwanwa pa se mampenida na John Dramani mama tibinya kukudro eba Volta region so oba no aba be bontoa aba be sra de se wo Volta region Flamantemo so omontoa ba emfa emani bi wa bra oba Flamantemo ho no a mampenida na John Dramani mama entiminya bibibia emfa chirenka se infie nwotwe a obedi mampeni wo mayimu no ade asomesi anaso obenten eno ye no Flamantemo wa bra Flamantemo desie MPP abanya wo mo emfi ne mpene ne mo nhwe no pehe Flamantemo Volta region nyuma mampeni na nado danko akufo ne MPP aban aye ede egu Flamantemo nto fi se afi we no kan bia so no adesie wo Volta region ne mpatamo ede aseda soronko ebe ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wa bra wo mo ayempunto bebre no a e wo mpatamo
and the demonstration of projects that the NPP has undertaken in the Volta region as against the total neglect and abysmal performance of the NDC under Mahama. When he had the opportunity to rule this country, it should not be too difficult for Mahama and the NDC to understand why the people of the Volta region, particularly the youth, would want to identify with the NPP and why the fortunes of the NDC is dwindling. Times have changed, and the people are now wide awake and will demand to apprise himself. The Volta region has never been part of his strategic considerations.
Fonti we aye chairman de ma NPP amanyuku no e wo Volta region ene yete ngen.
Apanyi paya wo hweso wo akwasi andisi amanyuku na nem wo mrashebedwafie ade amamafo a ewo manso kwantampeso so eye owura Samuel Ejei na ene wo de apomdin tene dwumade ahyehye so wo ne peso so ewe akire na wura fiafie mu akana hiasam ade akire wonom ero na yodo atodwa akire se wo hwemu pa no anfie bebrenie ana ne manfo ye wo manso kwanta to obade ama NPP na so nkosi baabia enam so nti wo sesa fie bato no wo monane wo monsa na wo fanko NDC amanyukodum no mo hwe empuntunyuma hodo a ebeba e wo ne peso so
ena no na meni menua ba ko ye fa ni doku na ye kasa na ye kanyina ne se omo pa MPP ko pa omo mra na ye undertaking enhwe me se menua ba maminka mentwe wadwen si bani so hwe se mansofo ya anwawade eto abama Samia Jeni John Mama e anwawade no ma ye John Mama on hwe se ade ebi nsida ebi eduenu enwotwe na yensan enko yen omusan to abantia ye anka manso hanka ba wuse abaye o ye mantemba did you make an assessment manso 4% manso fa ntuma pefra o monto abantia ye kan se ada mensini mu a se ohwe wanchi buzia ifunu ma hodi etwato ye buzia oye MPP mampani dada no a na me no ka se de o mra se no ye ndisi no na wanchi ko ehu se o man sesem o mato ba MPP se o man sesem a o mo buntu beka ayede akwanchiri enepe hwese wanchi ko ho ma ye krabe manso du bia ya 2020 anka o mo to ama independent candidate ama achi MPP for advice so ene manso du bia o ma kwan enum ya ye musa se manso kwanta e kwan do se na ya
awusia we ya owura Samuel Ejei no wo hwe se wo bakọ mrashebedwafie dia ma omanfo a ewo manso kwantampeso so ande siamanyuku no edimu
abuzanfo yemfomo emfi amanyosemu na yemfomo enko gomua eye east abaton pesua so na apostifo wo gomua ojobi ene yeso makwa cheche machu ne langas fu ibie wo gomua ojobi mpotemo no a yese ne yese ne umusi tete amanfo wo pomu hono no ese wani nsese ye ka kire wo na abusua pani a owo gomua ojobi na Kofi Otabele ene yese papa ko ya apostifo so kire se eja wo no di hene wo mpotemo no mo wonkofa langa de bia ma mpotemo no mo ene wonkofa macho man bia si wo mewe wo bia asase ma no na so sene machofo esi tata wonum ene na desia wo mo egu mpotemo no no dwene ho a wonte ase ne apostifo ne wo madwene sene wo mo kona fili kadochi wo mo de wo mani akwa se sade ne ekoso mpotemo no mo a wo mu duru ho ene se machofo no eyo madwene so mo ne apostifo no e de fe so ye befu a ewi ase na machofo no be du ba akode 11 de o manta munum se buru nyankoko o mo dagya ho a wo mo ade o mo kwa kogina mra no ye se o mo kire eya machofo yi ebi kuta tuo ebi kuta sekan ebi kuta pepper spray no nyina ana kesa apostifo no manta munum na eye abusua pani na Kofi Otabele cheche nsemu sei e de kire yen kakra
ko won langa fun oku ojobi police station ni kaswa patruit ma oba bia anye make attempt to langa fun na mbra all IGP Gampa odama Ghana police ni o say yedi so nti any police fun kwae no mo bai there who here adwuma asase so to police station na mrem no o say wo ba na wo hwe na wo so dia na commander no hwe mo do moto 20 bi ma adwane
observe nti we eye abusua pani na Kofi Otabele na wo cheche ni nsemo de kire yen
Amro Sebojani yo work from about to impress so your monyan for Alex Blankson na wode to ne manfo nim se wobasre pa ewom se ene ya ho kire wo ho Ghana fo huna mane sikasam wo yedende na so so nipa ba ko pa na sa ban ba ko pa wobatumi asakra nuomam ama anuoma sanso ye biem aye NPP apan enam so nti obesra sam wo nsese wo nsa no da sane won makoso anya gidie wo aban ne mu afritete no wo monkoso anya sa gidie no a sanse NPP amanyuko no wo mo ne pa bebre e de ma wonom
say anye yin so a big kosu bebe bia no na mo ba party so le kan wo so de no mo party wo mo na this bia na so mo me am dance motivation na ye mi an kasa mi kum from constituent me ma me na me papa no na mi nua no mo ha some am ba mo hu ahwa a yo wo mo jeje mi so wo mo ye ono na nse me nkran se me nye ne kese e ma wo mo the way I want to community in a manifestation go at all lengths. The mayor ma from constituency afan into my area. The from constituency development bebaha. The from constituency bema minu anu keto omusu school omusu enya schools papa ko no wo matimi akosi bedupa ma ochina bi omusu etimi aba from no ma babu akofom anu ina mayor.
Chino mo for your work from one so akasaka kra
Men are not almost 1962. No, but not that's ended and I'm on the MP. That's a Saka. If I'm making you surprise, I'm going to the Tata, Bear, to the party. And the lights, I'm on the promise no more. I don't do the blue and French, you I'll be a benya is I'm what he did was right a benya be out
I was away a year Ghana this year be a work from about to empress so and not yet 1 month.
Yeah, the more convincing mantemo and chebia mobeka shen so man penin and other danko kufuado a mam ready and mania. You made the evidence shebia by to din said district road improvement program wa eternity after said drepo or more epa huntuma a one crapum pedamantem nina eye mfidie mumuruntum a aban akwakototo ebecheche de ama DCs no so momfa nko mommansinim ene omompotemu na akwan fichi kwan bi no a enya akwan nyina na aban betimi de ama contract ama contractor fo aba begina so aba be yeso adwuma na nsoja ye won fichi kwan ne kwan kete bia ya na adehye ne nye kotale no mo pese beguso na mum se gya onya fidie no na kise twifa so saa na eyeso trom e de ma adehye no a no mutimi ko aba beduru a won bepe sense de bia na ye de bede aban so se e bia contract womra na omfa kotale megu akwan ne so anu ti sam fidie we na aban hye mu no o se mensi ne bia enya ne de no mo hyase e de dwuma na ko mfimfim mantemu a enne ena mpedimfo regional minister wo mfimfim mantemu ma me Justin Amerigold Hassan ene ne mpedimfo ye nhyehyɛ ya this is ya wo mfimfim mantemu nyina obi abeje na fidia wode enam kwan so ekɔ ne mansinimo na regional minister wo mfimfim mantemu wode fidie ne ma this is no wode afuturu eso so sei ma wo no
mampani bi abobaze na wetum wa fa kwanja shunkodo wa mayen machines oye MMDs le MMDs assembly wo hia papa wezechi gonduma dodo na bebre na mampani na bezechi wato waza mahede ye fenzi duma tiba finfi manto mande wi agree yesu ya mutam shonko yezingompo egudo da nyankopon na kasa hia na dwuma yezibezi biara no oye hira ma timemofo ntene wi agree ze ba finfi manto mampani na bezechi na yede wona ase de wo nyi finfi manto ma efi na dwuma kesa otida mo pamutam nkano so yesu yenye bi de ye fanzi dwuma nyankopon so nchaze o mampanyi ne nyusade mu no so enti ansa na obehye dwubezi na ase na akasa no o mo won tete soronku abefo tete wonu atena classroom o mo won tete wo yesu obehye won machine bes mo ya wotu enti mejemizi de ankwanku bi oboso machine mu abin no ho de oboso machine mu ni enti ye bototo ase ye nuanom a wenya kwanya iya kwanya soronku ne yenya yenya
Abuziafo nti weye ayoso afo hwe mfimfim mantem no mo eso ma me Justin Amerigold Hassan ene yete ne nkan na eye drip ni nyina okọ mfimfim mantem a opani oda no se coordinator eye Ora Steven Kwame Kwei na ono soso nsisi omo ye afidie ne se besei senseye se ne umbesi ahweso ye ameso abamfaso ama dehye wo mansimensi na hudo mo e wo mfimfim mantem no ono soso bobo so se de kire
na other a district in communities on we have this is what you will do after 18 and one is operator cra only na obe use machine I said that in fact it na I say modern things no ultimate send your pay machine then you must be machines na se bebo a breed 18 sese district bia omoye ebi ye district for no ama MMDC omo the schedule e just sese omo be ye no e akọ e no ni hwe ye be yes coordinating big program like this no we say but say all the measures na team na o fe pan ye also with the team manager there no na muso e be ye better na so mo kura media for no so you be watching send your name na airport
Abzanfo no akire omo mutwi excavator ni mfidi akese bi wo mfimfim mantemu omususu mfidi ni koduru ho no no mo ani age pa ezo mu fi se we beboa ama mo susu manya adwuma ye
na ye baba baumia ene anado ase se wadwino man Ghana okwanya meni mu ni kwa ye bi sanse na ya na ye kan se adwuma ni ho ya hwe nde adefefe we ya wa ya amahia samri wama ibinum nso so aye wo fie ye hu na de se ye ba benye adwuma ni bi aye ene ntete ye pa wade nya afam no train no wade nya afam no kura ma ye hu se papa no owani so ade hu obetimi ade aboa Ghana nti ye gberade mpa se nka Ghana man na ye ba ye betaboa na nka ye pia ne chi baba omia e mo no nso so abeto adwumedi a e papa kufado abaye no ono so ba beto aso
Abzanfo nti weye ayomo mutwi excavator ne machines akese bi e wo mfimfim mantemu ne yete wo munkan
awoso ha ne odonsam ne nyina asie aseda kwode ma akosua somoa koko Veronica Jando ya Grace Buzi afei Reverend Michael and Happy one nyina ka ho bi na eso yadamo aseda mo ase ora Mebra Santia Benedict any and some for penny. Yes, so the soma ye in a fear numeri. Casebo chatso na watching more yet about some you know. I am me. I could see a Jewa dear Boatin Mene.